What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to do a quick video and show you how to set up Tailwind CSS with React. You go to tailwindcss.com here, and then the first thing you want to do is, if you're not on dark mode, go ahead and put it on dark mode. You go to Get Started, and then you can go to Framework Guides here, and they have a ton of different frameworks to help you get set up with. We'll go with the classic Create React app. And then this is if you don't have a project. This is how you would create a project and then change a directory into it. I'll go ahead and just use a project that I already have, and we'll go straight to the Tailwind part of it. So you can copy this command and you'll install it as a dev dependency with the -d there. So I'll toss that in here. And then you can run npx tailwind css init, and that will generate your Tailwind config file. And by the way, this is in a Redux toolkit project that I have. I made a previous video on Redux toolkit. It's a lot easier to set up than just regular Redux, so really cool. I'll go ahead and link to that video. So then in your Tailwind config file that you just made, I'll go ahead and show you that real quick. So open up the code editor, bring it in screen here. So this is the Tailwind config file that we just generated, and we have this content array. And you want to add the paths to all your template files in your Tailwind config file, and that is by adding this into that array. Toss those in here. And then you'll add these Tailwind directives into your index CSS file. So copy that, and then that's in your source folder. So you have your index.css. You can keep or remove these. Save that. And then just start up your project. So let's go ahead and get rid of this content. And then so you can just start adding in Tailwind classes. npm run start, and there we go. Simple as that. So a quick video, but hope it helped you out. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe, drop a comment and say what's up, and thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.